This casserole is what I make for every single holiday. Cheesy egg casserole. There's no bread in this. It's just eggs and cheese, and it's so delicious. They're fluffy and perfect.
We're going to start with 10 large eggs, and you're just going to beat those until all the yolks are broken up. They don't need to be completely mixed. I'm just using a whisk and kind of breaking up the yolks and then whisking it into the whites.
I love an egg casserole, but I don't want extra bread when I'm having breakfast, because I know, especially if it's a holiday, I'm gonna make cinnamon rolls or monkey bread or something like that. I don't need bread in my eggs also. So this casserole is perfect.
Add a 16-ounce container of cottage cheese. I know that's controversial, but it just adds protein. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter of a cup of all-purpose flour, and a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Then whisk that all together, and then I'm going to add a half of a cup of unsalted butter that's been melted and slightly cooled. You don't want to cook your eggs. Whisk it together until it's nice and combined, and at this point you're going to add your cheese. I'm using mozzarella, 2 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese. You can use the pre-shredded, but I like shredding my own because it melts a lot easier and better. And then once that's done, you're just going to put it into a 9 by 13 inch pan or like a Pyrex dish like this that's been sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. You're going to bake this at 400 degrees for about 25 to 40 minutes. It just depends kind of on your oven until it's nice and golden brown and puffed and cooked through. And you can see how fluffy it is.
Also so easy to make a variation on this. I've made it with green chilies and Monterey Jack cheese. I've made it with cheddar cheese. I've added bacon or sausage. So simple, so easy to switch up the flavors, and everyone loves this egg casserole. I know you are gonna love it too. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel and keep watching for even more easy recipes.